Hello, my name is Mary and I'm here today to talk about Folicrex, the absolute truth. A 100% natural blend that goes directly to the root cause of your hair loss, the inflammation of your gut, scalp, and follicles. It does not require any restrictive diets and it does not interfere with other supplements you might be taking. This formula is more powerful than anything else in the world. Because it doesn't just stop your hair from falling out, but also regrows it, strengthens your scalp and follicles, and helps you shield yourself against baldness for good. It also supports healthy skin, improves your digestion, boosts your energy levels, and so much more. We only produce Folicrex in our FDA-approved facility using the latest technology and equipment. Every capsule of Folicrex is non-GMO and safe. This protocol is very easy to follow and is also diabetic friendly. Save time and money with a low-cost, homemade treatment. And then there are all the people who used Folicrex, over 154,000 men and women, and experienced the hair growth of their lives and rejuvenated their skin and nails. They're all coming back for more. For you and your families and your best friends, they want to make sure we don't run out of Folicrex and they stay out. This makes our stock run out in days, every time a new shipment arrives. About the warning I made at the beginning of the video, several people are selling the counterfeit product, which makes it not have the expected results. Only on the official website the purchase is safe and with guarantees. And rest assured, because if after buying, if you don't like it, you can ask for a full refund of the amount paid within 60 days. If any questions remain, the official website has the answers to the frequently asked questions to help you. I will leave in the description link to the official website with a special offer. I hope you can also get results like me, which helped me to regain my quality of life. Subscribe to the channel to receive the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.